Okay, for foreigner holding C1 visa, when you arriving at the airport, I suggest you for going through immigration check by manually, not by AutoGate. Because when you arriving at the airport, you will get automatically stay permit. And stay permit will be sent via email 2 weeks after your arrival. But I have case that my client, he was enter Indonesia by AutoGate. Immigration just issued his stay permit after 40 days. So what is the problem? Problem is he can't convert C1 visa to KITAS. He had to spend more money to extend his stay permit first, and then he can convert to KITAS. Because for apply for KITAS, you must have a stay permit at least 30 days before end of your stay. Although not everyone who is entered by AutoGate will experience the same problems, but it's better we need to anticipate.